Hi YouTube, what is up? It's your girl Jasmine the Kia. I know y'all missed the kid. Hold on. Some hair on my face, child. Some hair on my face, child. I just look like a bad bitch.
I can do anything. Cause my success can't be quantified. If I gave two fucks my streaming numbers, would have eliminated up on Spotify. I can do anything. Yeah.
So I wanted to come to you guys today and do an entire Pat McGrath review and just show you guys the new. So this is the Pat McGrath Mothership Mega Celestial Divinity. And when I tell you, it was so fun creating this look, and I really just want to let you guys know this is not sponsored at all. Like, I can't wait to be on Pat McGrath's PR list because she did tweet me not too long ago. So I know I'm gonna be on her PR very quick here, but no, this is not a sponsored post. I wasn't sent this palette. I actually brought this palette with my hard-earned coin. Look how gorgeous these colors are, guys. Like, I literally cannot. Guys, this palette is just so freaking bomb. Oh my god, look at the pigment. I literally can't. So I have that color on, this color on, and I don't ever do like really dark shadows, but y'all, come on now, look at the pigment on those shadows. Please stop, like, and subscribe if you would like to see how I got this look. Please stay tuned. Okay, so this is the Pat McGrath Golden Skin Fetish Highlight Balm Duo. It's double-ended. I really like it. The packaging on it is super cute. And I put a little balm here, and it's honestly kind of like a little oil. It feels like a really, like, I don't know about oily. I don't know if oily is the term, because I obviously don't want your face oily. But it feels really smooth and nice, and it just feels really good going onto the skin. So I go in with a MAC 190 brush, which is like a foundation brush, and I just kind of pat because I do have oilier skin, so it's not like I want my skin to look oily. And y'all, I did put this wig on in like 2 seconds because it's like I really needed to record and I really needed to get this video out for you guys, and it's like I just needed to go ahead and throw it on. Okay, so the double-ended side is actually a highlight, and it is bomb. So I just put it right at the top there. You see that? Come on now, you see that? So I just put it right there at the top, and you don't need a lot. With Pat McGrath products, you don't need a lot on it. And I just like to kind of come right at those edges, right where those edges are, and kind of blend that out, because I do like the intensity of the product, but it's like obviously I don't want a big stripe on my face. A lot of discoloration on my lips is so aggy, it's so annoying. I'm gonna get it fixed pretty quick here, but in the meantime, I'll pretty much show you how I cover it up to kind of start off. I take the Milk Grip Primer. It's the Hydro Grip Primer. And I do still like to use this in my T-zone and on my lips because I feel like it really helps kind of get rid of any problem areas. It really helps. And I put some on my lips. And I put some right in that area where I used to have a lot of breakouts. And so my skin, my pores are just larger there. And I like to do this with my finger. And then I honestly do like to take a little bit of that dual-ended balm and put the actual balm on my lips. And of course it looks a little Dave Chappelle right now, but it's fine, I promise. And so then I go in with the Pat McGrath Labs Medium Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Setting Powder. I really like this powder. And I just take a dry beauty blender and set it directly over where I was at. So I like to just set it right at that T-zone area. And then I just set it right over top of the product on my lips. That just kind of helps set the product before I go in and actually put anything on my lips. And it makes it so when I go in and put like lipstick on, the discoloration on my lips like doesn't pop through. You see how it just looks really. So as you guys can see, it's just like powdery now, and I really we're gonna see if all the hype and all the coin is really worth it. So I'm really excited to get into some things. So right off bat, the packaging is so freaking bomb. I mean, seriously, it is just so high end. It is just so nice. I'm sure you guys have seen this palette. I'm gonna come a little closer for you guys so you can actually see. This palette retails for $78. It has 18 shadows in it. And yeah, we're just gonna get into some things. I freaking love it. Oh my god, it has a huge mirror. I'm super big on the detailing. I love the pink packaging. Her packaging is always goals, but I love how simple this one was, and it's flat, it's easy to carry. It's just really nice. So let's just dive right in. We're not gonna be talking anybody's ear off. Louise eye base and the rumor number 5 and use the MAC 212 brush. It looks like this. It's like a box, if you will, to take it right up to that brow and just kind of map out where that brow area is. Real Techniques brush and just kind of set it all up, if you will. Get right into it. I want to dive into this color right here. I want to get into it. I want to just go right in and just smoke this situation out. It is fall. This color, I believe, is called Major Mahogany. Okay. So I'm going to go in with a MAC 217 brush. And that's just because I want to place the product first. And I'm really just going to go, oh my god, the pigment. Oh my god. Look at that pigment, y'all. Oh, shout out to Pat McGrath. And I'm just literally going to set it right. Oh! Pat McGrath does not play with the pigment, okay? So I'm just going to set that right here and work on building that V super perfect. And I do like to basically carve out my eye with the shadow. And I'm being pretty gentle because I don't have a lot of powder on. This is the Pat McGrath powder, and I feel like it's a really light handed type of product. So I don't like to cake a lot of it on. I mean, you could if that's your swag, but I really don't like it. So I'm basically taking it all the way up to that brow bone. And this just looks so freaking good. Like, this color is just, oh. So now I'm going to take a really big fluffy brush and blend that out. I'm going to take a Morphe M504 brush. And it's a really soft pink. It's called Dragonfly. And I'm just going to take that and like start to blend out that color. I'm not going to take a lot. I'm going to take enough, but I'm not going to take a lot. And I'm just going to set it right on top. I'm just going to set it right on top of that really nice mahogany color. And what this is going to do is give us a nice gradient effect. I might even take a clean brush too, because I just want to start blending that outer corner. And I feel like her shadows blend really nicely. I just want to just eat all of these shadows. They're just so freaking gorgeous. Ah! So onto my other Pat McGrath obsession right now. It is a cream liquid illuminator type of vibe, but it's just so fucking pretty. Like, no cursing. It's so pretty, right? So it's a cream that you rub in that you can put underneath your foundation, or you can put it on your eyes, or like literally look at it. It's so freaking pretty. So I actually love to keep it as like a cream shadow. So I'm gonna set it on the lid, and I'm basically going to act like it's a shadow base. So I set it there, and then I take a brush of whatever. Now I could cut the crease with this, but I really haven't been feeling like overly cut creases. So I'm just going to kind of pat. And the thing is, like, a little bit goes a long way. Y'all already know Pat McGrath products, like a little bit goes a long way, child. And look how pretty. Color right here, it's the color Smoked Amethyst. It looks like this. So I'm gonna go in with this color pretty much all over the lid. I'll see what it looks like all over the lid first. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh. That is so pretty. Oh my god. I don't know, I kind of want to smoke it out with something. Like, look how shimmery that color is. I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm basically going to smoke that out. I'm going to just place that all on the outer corner. It's honestly like a purpley gold color, but it's really, really, really dark. So I like that. And I'm basically just going to set it right where that color kind of ends. I'm using like just a soft amount of pressure because you don't want to like overdo it. Go back into that gold color, and I'm just going to basically marry the two. Do that, I just go back and forth and overlap the colors because you want them to be seamless. But the Mcgrath eyeliner, I don't even really like felt tip liners. I pretty much always have to have a liquid liner. But this liner, I don't know. It's just something about this liner. So I'm just going to go in and line my entire eye. You guys know I love, love, love a dramatic wing. So I can't really talk while I explain it, but I'm just going to go ahead and do it. And it's just the tip of it is just, oh my god. Like, it's just so bomb. And I'm going to come into the inner corner just like that. Mcgrath mascara. I do really, 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 really like her mascara as well. Lashes on. These are in the style Simple from JasmineIkea.com. Make sure you guys take advantage of it. And if you want to shop my mink lashes and want free shipping, use the code Sammy. So I'm just going to go in and pop those lashes on. And I just wanted to do a different simple lash. I didn't. Okay guys, so I popped lashes on, I'm all good. I'm going to go in with the Mcgrath lipstick in the color Rouge. Oh, the color 1995. It's a really, 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 really pretty pink. It's my fave. I love Mcgrath's lip products. Oh, and her mattes are just so creamy. And you literally don't need a lot at all. And that's pretty much going to complete the look. I was gonna video